Whirlpool WTW4816FW2 Troubleshooting, Quick Fixes and Solutions. To troubleshoot the Whirlpool W486FW, check for common issues like power supply problems and clogged filters. Inspect for error codes on the display. The Whirlpool WTW4816FW2 is a reliable washing machine, but like any appliance, it may experience occasional issues. Common problems include power supply interruptions, clogged filters, and error codes that appear on the display. Addressing these issues promptly can prevent further damage and ensure the appliance operates efficiently. This guide will help you identify and resolve these common problems, ensuring your washing machine functions smoothly. Regular maintenance and timely troubleshooting can extend the lifespan of your Whirlpool W4816F2, providing you with clean clothes and peace of mind. Let's dive into the specifics to keep your washer running optimally. Whirlpool WT4816FW2 Common Issues. Experiencing issues with your Whirlpool WT4816FW2 washer can be frustrating. Here, we explore common problems users face. These issues range from power problems to water not filling. Knowing these can help you troubleshoot effectively. 1. No power. 2. Water not filling. Whirlpool W4816FW2 Diagnostic Tips. Troubleshooting your Whirlpool WT4816W2 can be a breeze with the right tips. Knowing how to diagnose issues is key to maintaining your washer. Learn how to understand error codes and use the self-test mode. 1. Error codes. 2. Self-test mode. Or Whirlpool WT4816FW2 Fixing Water Supply Problems. Is your Whirlpool WT4816W2 washer facing water supply issues? Before calling a technician, you can try some troubleshooting steps. These solutions might help resolve the problem. 1. Check hoses. 2. Inspect inlet valve. Whirlpool WT4816FW2 Solving Drainage Issues. Is your Whirlpool WT4862 not draining properly? Drainage problems can cause a lot of frustration. Let's look at some simple steps to fix these issues. 1. Clean drain pump. 2. Check drain hose. Whirlpool WT4846FW2 Addressing spin cycle problems. Experiencing problems with the spin cycle on your Whirlpool W486FW2 washer? Don't worry. This guide will help you troubleshoot and fix these issues. Follow these simple steps to get your washer spinning correctly again. Balance the load. Inspect motor coupler. Whirlpool WT4816FW2 Dealing with noise. Is your Whirlpool WT64FW2 making unusual noises? These sounds can be annoying. They can also indicate a problem. Let's explore how to fix this. 1. Tighten screws. 2. Inspect suspension rods. Whirlpool WA4816FW2 Maintaining the washer. Keeping your Whirlpool W4862 washer in top condition ensures it lasts longer and performs well. Regular maintenance helps avoid costly repairs and extends the machine's life. Here, we cover some essential tips for maintaining your washer. 1. Regular cleaning. 2. Check for leaks. Whirlpool W4816FW2 When to call a professional. Troubleshooting your Whirlpool WT4816W2 can be challenging. Sometimes professional help is necessary. Understanding when to seek expert assistance can save you time and money. 1. Unresolved issues. 2. Warranty considerations. Frequently asked questions about Whirlpool T481062. How to reset Whirlpool WT4816FW2 washer. To reset the washer, unplug it for 1 minute. Plug back in and lift the lid 6 times. Why is my Whirlpool washer not spinning? Check if the lid is closed properly. Ensure the load is balanced and inspect for any obstructions. What does F5 error code mean? F5 error indicates a lid lock issue. Check for obstructions and ensure the lid lock is functioning correctly. How to fix Whirlpool washer not draining. Check the drain hose for clogs. Ensure the pump filter is clean and the drain pump is functioning. Why is my Whirlpool washer leaking water? Inspect hoses for cracks or loose connections. Ensure the door seal is intact and not damaged. Conclusion questions about Whirlpool WT4816FW2. Troubleshooting your Whirlpool WT4860FW2 washer can be straightforward with the right steps. Regular maintenance.
If you want to know more details, then you can visit hellotroubleshooting.com.